So, Cash, what are you doing? That's dirty water. We had a month of rain. Like a month. The property got flooded. Mud bogs to deal with, all kinds of stuff. So my project was on hold. And then this happened. I mean, in one sense, the rain did a little bit of work for me, but in the other sense, I was kind of trying to keep the roof up, and then I was going to work underneath it, and then reinforce it, and then reuse it. But now I've got to take the wall out. I've got to take the roof apart. I'm going to save the wood and do the best I can to kind of form it back together close to how it was with extra reinforcement. But now it seems that everything's got to go. The wall, the roof, the whole thing. Yeah. All those posts I put up, I mean, obviously, there's no need for them anymore, but my work got destroyed. So we're going to do it the hard way. The rain wants to do it the hard way, we're going to do it the hard way. So right now we're just gonna finish cleaning up this area, get that roof in like pieces. I'm gonna try and keep big portions of it together and stack it, get it out of here, remove the wall, maybe kind of lean it up against this way for now, and clean this area out so then I can lay cement below. That is the goal. So I guess I got a lot of work to do. Woohoo! Welcome to DENWOOD. Do that electrical.
Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep under, but my body won't decay. Cause my messages are timeless, so they'll put them on display. Oh yeah, I rap with a certainty, I have a sense of urgency. A message for eternity, for everyone internally. I had some people burning me, but now they fucking learn. See, I ain't the one to fuck with, now they looking nervously. And I don't really care what you think of me, respectfully. You can kick rocks if you think you're fucking better. See, I will outwork you, turn you to an...
Looks like I'm gonna have to take every single piece off and just later get the nails out and put it back together when the roof goes up.
Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way.
Gotta watch those nails. They're everywhere. I just stabbed myself in the arm. Ow.
I can't contain it, I'm coming out with a statement. You really changed, man, all your music and arrangement. You don't know shit, shut your mouth, you can save it. I'm the same dude that got his come up from the basement. 100 songs, 100 weeks, didn't change it. Experiments, development, intelligence, and patience.
All right, I managed to get all the collapsed stuff out of here. For now, I'm gonna leave it like this, and I gotta work on getting all these nails, excuse me, out of the boards, because I don't really have somewhere to put them, and I don't want anybody getting hurt. It's pretty bad, they're everywhere. Jesus. I probably breathed in a whole bunch of black mold too. Oh. All right. Yeah, I'm gonna pull nails out of this so I can stack the wood back here and nobody gets tetanitis. Whatever that is when you step on a rusty nail, whatever that is. No. Tendonitis, no, that's your tendon. Tuberculosis. I don't know. I don't remember what it is, but I gotta save people from getting hurt. So I'm gonna work on that. All right, back at it. Got all these nails out, but then I just pulled down this big boy and I just stabbed myself in the leg with it. Watch out, buddy. Oof. You're gonna have to get those nails out, pull this thing apart. God dang. Fun stuff. But we're almost to the point where we can get this wall out of here. Get the rest of this stuff cleaned up. And maybe start putting in cement. Yeah, I mean, it's gonna be a little bit of a pain to get this part down. I think I'm just gonna have to do it like piece by piece, but we're making way, slowly but surely, just, you know, a couple hours a day. So
I'm never looking back, cause I made a life that's passionate. A college graduate suppressing all his talents, yeah. He found a way to go and change, become an advocate for taking control of your life, go out and battle. And you think you have a dream, then act on it. Get after it, get out your head and fucking capture it. You got one life to master it. Don't give up on your future, we all start losers. We're all late bloomers, gotta struggle through the sewer.
What you say? Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way.
well, that wood is full of termites, or at least it was. So that last 30 minutes of work is pointless. I gotta throw this wood out completely. that's black mold. Black mold fun, won't you come right into my lungs? Black mold fun, won't you come? Won't you come? Dishes are done, man. We got the roof off. We got this real kind of thing going down, getting down. There's a whole lot of rhythm going around. Where'd I put them hammers? Where'd I put them hammers? All right, we're gonna go ahead and call it a day. Didn't do a lot of work, but we got some important stuff done. Yeah, we're gonna start bright and early tomorrow. Get this crap cleaned up. Get it out of here, at least a lot of it. Maybe get this wall out finally. Start getting into the nitty-gritty of stuff. But yeah. I guess for the rest of the day, I'm gonna play some baseball with the dog and enjoy life, I guess. Yeah. Buddy, where are you? Where's the ball? Where's the ball? Get the ball. What? What? Good boy. Let me see. What? Give it to me. Give it to me. Give it to me. Give it to me. Give me the ball. Give me the ball. Oh, oh, give me the ball. Give me the ball. Whoa, whoa. Ready, 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 ready. 1, 2, 3. Good boy. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on. Hey, where'd the bat go? Where's the bat? Buddy. Where'd we put the baseball bat? Grab this. Yep. No, no, go. No, no, go. No, 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 no. Get the bat. No. What? Go, go, go. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. There it is. No, no, no. No, 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 no. Watch out. Watch out, watch out. You want this one. No. Ah, I missed it. Hup, hup, hup. Stupid, it's right there. Hit the tree. Oh. Shoot, did that hit my car? Oh. Oh, I think that hit my car. Come on, buddy. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Ah, God damn it. There we go. Shit, it hit my car. Oh, I just missed. Woo! Go, boy. Go, boy. Give me the ball. Give me the ball. Go, boy. Ready? 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 1, 2, 3. Oh, oh, you missed it. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy.